Taking a look at our full forecast now. Right now in Bakersfield, temperatures have dropped by a few degrees. Now we're looking at 53 degrees. Similar temperatures towards Buttonwillow, and that's going to continue to drop, especially towards some of the mountain areas where we're looking at the 40s. Even seeing some of the 30s towards Tehachapi as well, and in the desert areas we're somewhere within the mid to low 50s. Now tonight we expect temperatures to drop even lower, between the 30s and 40s throughout the county. We're expecting 38 degrees here in Bakersfield, just a couple degrees cooler as you head up towards Delano, and quite a bit cooler towards Frazier Park, which is 31 degrees, even 30 in Pine Mountain Club. Eastern Kern, especially the desert areas, we're looking within the 40s range, but tomorrow temperatures should pick up, so slightly warmer than what we've been seeing earlier today. We could see as high as 61 degrees here in Bakersfield, and just a couple degrees cooler up towards McFarland, and down in the mountains back down to the 50s, low to mid 50s, similar to what we saw earlier today here in the valley. Eastern Kern, again, we're expecting to be between the upper 50s, even climbing into the 60s, especially towards China Lake, which is 63 degrees. California City, 64 degrees. But despite those slightly warmer temperatures, they are actually looking out for strong winds. We are currently in a high wind warning currently in effect, and this applies to a lot of the desert areas. As you can see, a lot of red really starting to cover the screen. That's because those are where the strong winds are, and this is expected to last as we head into tomorrow. We're expecting winds to be between 25 to 35 miles per hour. However, gusts could be somewhere between 50 to 60 miles per hour during this time. If you plan on traveling, make sure to have both hands on the steering wheel, drive extra carefully, as a lot of the roads may start to be impacted due to fallen debris. Now down in LA County and Ventura County, they do have a red flag warning, and we actually see a fire currently in the Palisades Fire, which is near Malibu, and last checked, it was 1,261.5 acres with multiple evacuation orders and warnings. For details on that, check out the Genesis Protect app, but there have been no reports of containment levels yet. Interestingly, though, in parts of Kern County, we are expecting to see a freeze watch. This impacts areas such as Buttonwillow and up north towards there. And we could see sub-freezing temperatures as low as 29 degrees. So that is something to keep in mind, especially as you have vegetation, to make sure to protect that in order to trap the heat. Now for the week ahead of us, starting off tomorrow in the valley, we have a high of 61 degrees and a low of 36 degrees. Air quality is moderate. Mostly clear skies to start off our day. That does warm up as we head towards the afternoon. Clear skies. Temperatures are going to climb as we head into Wednesday to 68 degrees before dropping by nearly 10 degrees over the weekend and continuing that trend into next week. And we're really following that same trend in Lake Isabella and the same in Frazier Park and Tehachapi, just quite a bit cooler.